Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, May 29. Time is around 7:45 and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So in my weekend video yesterday, I explained that I'm expecting a pullback on the higher time frame because of this 5 waves up and this divergence here in RSI. But yeah, that does not mean that we cannot see a bit more upside in the lower time frame. And so I believe we are doing 5 waves up here. I think we will see more upside, but I want you to know that it can be finished here. This can be our high, and we can start to drop from here. Actually, this is something that is possible. For now, I keep my primary scenario like this. And then this becomes an interesting area to monitor, an interesting area for a short. And then this is the equal leg area here from your wave 1 and wave 2. No, excuse me, I'm wrong. It's the wave 1 and 2 of the higher degree, of course. Here like this, the 1 and the 2, you see the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. This is an interesting area to monitor, but we are not there yet. So yeah, let's have a look at lower time frame now. So on the 1 hour, Friday, I gave you an area to go long, this area, and it turned out very well. Look at this push to the upside. This has been a very good trade. Earlier, I also gave you this area to go long. This also turned out well, and I warned you this was our target that we could go down from here. So my take is that for now, I would assume this is a wave 1 to the upside. We have 5 waves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We came down in an ABC. This is our wave 2. And now we might be working on a wave 3 to the upside. So what becomes our target? This is this box. And this is the equal leg area from here, or wave 1 and or wave 2. This will become our target for wave 3. And as you can see, it nicely coincides with the area I showed you here on the 4 hour. So this is definitely an area to monitor to initiate a short again. Now let's have a look at 15 minutes more in detail. So yeah, this we are pushing higher here, and yeah, the difficulty is that it's really hard to say, like on the 15 minutes, when this push to the upside will be over, because like if we have a look at the internal wave counts, so I count here a 1, then we came back in a 2, and now we are we doing a 3, or was the 3 in here, and this is our 4? The difficulty is we already passed the zone of a wave 3. So normally here on the 15 minutes, our wave 3 should end somewhere here, but we already passed the box. So this means it is definitely a wave 3. If you extend the 1.618 VIP extension, then you have definitely a wave 3. But yeah, we do not have any area anymore to monitor and to initiate a short. So normally you first define an area and then you start to look at your wave. Like you need 5 waves, and you need to end with divergence. But so now the problem is we do not have an area that can be specified. And yeah, for now, like, okay, on the 15 minutes, we start to see a bit of divergence here, but this is for the moment way too little, like one big push, and we just erase the divergence here. And also, I prefer to see actually divergence on the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour, you don't see divergence at all. So, yeah, to initiate a short trade for the moment, this is the only relevant area that I can give you. I need if I have more data here on the hourly in RSI, or also on the 15 minutes, if we would do like a reset and then higher again, then I could define an area. But for now, I simply can't. There is no, I don't see any relevant area except for this one. But yeah, this is still some distance to go, I believe. Yeah, then we need a push today of 2%. Yeah, which is possible for the DAX. Yeah, this is the only short entry I see right now, like around this area, ending in this area with divergence on the hourly. Does that mean that we will fly higher till till this area? Yeah, there's also actually another scenario that could play out, and this is the like the most tricky scenario actually to monitor, because you do not have much clues about this. Let me explain. Like, it could be that this here was our wave 3, and that we are now actually doing a wave 4 like this. Why could this be a wave 3? Because I already explained you in my earlier videos, this push in RSI worries me. Like, normally a wave 5 ends with divergence, so like you should see divergence in your RSI. Technically we did not erase this high in divergence, but we were very very close. So this worries me, and this opens the possibility of having something like this: 1, 2, 3, and we will do our 4 only now, and then a 5 instead of earlier. I did it like this. So this is my primary scenario, but this is also something that could be. So what does that mean on the lower time frame? It means that if this is our 3, we are doing a 4, and then this here, then we need an ABC in a wave 4, and so then this is your A. Let me let me draw it. So then this will be our A. We are now doing a B, and then we need a C. So I will put it in here in another color so you can see clearly. So this can be an A, like this is impulsive. Can also be an ABC with an extended wave C, but this can also be an A. Then we have here our B, and then we can come down in a C. So that would mean that like a wave B is also corrective. So within the wave B, you also have an ABC, but from a lower degree, something like this. And then this would be our A, this would be our B. And then, yeah, then we are again doing an extended wave, wave C. But the problem with this wave B or an ABC is that it does not has to end with divergence. An ABC does not have to end with divergence. Only an impulse ends with divergence. And so if we do not have any area that can be specified, like we do not have an equal leg area. We will also, if it is an ABC, which, yeah, it's like this starts to look for me to like an ABC actually, here on the 1 hour. So if it is an ABC, we do not have an area. We will not have divergence. So it means that, yeah, we can suddenly start to drop, do our wave C to the downside without really having clues. So yeah, this is also a possibility, but a very difficult one to trade because you have very little clues. Like you could say, based on the FIP extensions, like a wave B on the FIP retracements. I mean, like a wave B typically ends between the 0.5 and 0.764 of your wave A. So this would be the area where we can return if it is a wave B, like yeah, so like this. So then it's really a matter of, if you want to take this scenario into account, assuming that this is your A, this is your B, and then, yeah, you wait for 5 waves up because it's a wave C, and you need to see yeah, divergence after 5 waves in this box, and then you might initiate a short. But yeah, it's like, as I said, if this is our target in a wave 3, you might be shorting a wave 3 here, and yeah, shorting a wave 3 is yeah, is shorting a wave 3 to the upside is not a good idea. So for today, like, there are not really obvious trades. If you are long from here, I would stay long, and maybe even start to consider taking some profits. Yeah, if you're not in a trade here, although I think this will be our target, here it's actually too late to go short, to go long. In my opinion, I do not enter anymore here if I missed the trade. I missed the trade. Nothing to do about it. Just wait. The market is moving every day. There is not every day a possibility to enter a trade, but almost every day. So you just wait, and yeah, this is the area where I want to go, short. Yeah, maybe we have a very good push today, but a push that ends with divergence here, and then I definitely go short. This will be a beautiful trade. But yeah, let's first wait for more data. But this is something I'm monitoring. So yeah, I think this is what you have to know for today. So it could be that we are doing our wave 3 here, but I also warn you for a tricky scenario, a scenario that is very difficult to monitor, which is the scenario that we had our wave 3 here. We're doing a wave 4, and so somewhere here we can start to drop without having many indications. Yeah, this could play out today. If you're long from here, stay long. I gave you this area on Friday. If you entered, stay long. You might considering taking some profit, or at least start to move your stop loss. And yeah, short. I believe here this is an interesting area to go short. Okay, this is my analysis for today. Yeah, see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.